Hello, in this video, we will present a case study for the Sudoku problem. Please recall that we introduced the Sudoku problem in section 8.7. In section 8.7, we present a program that let the user enter a Sudoku solution from the console. And the program tests if the solution is valid. In this program, we're going to create a graphic user interface like this. Let user enter the solution in this 9x9 cells. Then click the valid button to test if the solution is valid or it is invalid. So we're going to write this program now to create this user interface using all these entries, and then put a button at the bottom. And when you click the button, invoke a function to test whether the solution is correct or not, and then displays a corresponding message on the standard dialog box. So let's see how we're going to use all this. Now, first, we're going to import this is valid. This is function from this module, check Sudoku solution, which is already defined in listing 8.6. So now this is the class. It's a Sudoku GUI, and we create this is the window, and here's the title, and this is one frame. So we're going to put this 9x9. So this is the I is from 1. This is from 0 to 8. So this is 9 rows, and this J is from 0 to 8 is the 9 columns. So we're going to put this cells. This is the list. So this is going to be two-dimensional. So now for every row, we have one list. And then we put the this string val into this list. So now we have the entry. So for each entry, we're going to associate to this cell here, brackets I and brackets J. So into this cell IJ. And place this into this row is this the row number, and this is the column number. So we put all this into this. This is the frame for every entry. And now we're going to put the button at the bottom. So this is the pack here. So the button is, the command is validate. So for the validate, we're going to gather all the information. This is all the values from the cell here. We collect all the values and invoke this is valid values. So if this is true, this is solution is valid. So we use this message box to display a standard dialog box. This is the show info, and this is the show warning. So this, when you see this is the difference here, this is the warning, it's invalid, and this is the info, and this is valid. We're going to introduce this standard dialogues more in the next chapter. So for now, and this is how you use the standard message dialog box to display the simple message. This is tk enter dot message box dot show info. So this is the information box, and this is the title of the box, and this is the message in the box. So here is the show warning box, and this is the title, and this is the message. That is all for this case study on the Sudoku GUI. See you on the next video.